India, back in India, you have now entered into the African economy and you have selected Kenya. What was the main reason?
First of all, jumbo to all Kenyans. And to begin with, I would like to thank the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries for extending their wholehearted support. And as a part of this event, I think it is going to be a huge success even in the future. This is just the beginning and there are a long way to go.
Okay, so can we expect it to be an annual event from now?
Sure, we already decided that we are coming here again next year.
Okay, perfect. What are your upcoming plans for the African markets?
Yeah, because right now we want to concentrate on Kenya because I think this is the right choice for us, bringing in this Agritech Africa event in Kenya. So I think we'll stick to this, and then there is a long way to go, and we'll have more and more fruitful exhibitors and visitors the year go progress.
Okay, and how do you see the Kenyan market?
Kenya has got huge agricultural potential in terms of agriculture equipment, irrigation. There are a lot to offer. We have got the technology which is here to offer the Kenyan farmers, and I'm sure this is a huge potential for Kenya agriculture industries.
And
yes.
this is the day 3 at the Agritech Africa. We have a good number of visitors, delegates. How has been your experience?
Experience is excellent because this is beyond our expectation. Even the large number of farmers have turned up, not from Nairobi, even the outskirts of Nairobi or even interiors of Kenya. They have come and visited the exhibition, so we are very happy.
Now, how do you
Should he look at the cameras?
No, let him just look at us. How do you advise the Kenyan farmers, especially the small-scale farmers?
See, because we have got some technology, it is meant for them, like mini tractors. The farmers who have got 2 acres land, 4 acres land, they can use this technology. Drip irrigation, we have some of the system which can be used in 2 acres and 4 acres land. They must come here, adopt this technology. And same adoption, they can do it in farm for the better crop and the less wastage of the farm.
Okay. And then how do they improve on their food security?
Food security, I think, they should go for the harvesting, a better harvesting, for wastage of, less wastage of crop, and maybe they should do some kind of online marketing to earn better money in terms of selling their actual product.
The challenge that we have in this country mostly is electricity in the rural areas. So how do we do online marketing without electricity in the rural areas?
No, that is true. I think government is working very hard. That's what I understood since I've been here. This is my 6th visit in the last 1.5 years, and I've been interacting with a lot of government departments. And since the ministry is part of this event, I'm sure that government is really working hard, and there is a time going to come that even the Kenyans will have electricity like us, especially from Gujarat.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.